My remote is not working. I have to manually push the button to turn the video on. So we're working on the other side to set up the 4x6. So this is the 4x6 that's going to go right here. This is going to be holding up the one side of the bed. Right now what I'm doing is I am drilling the holes into the van with Cobalt metal drill bits. Not Cobalt the company, but actually Cobalt metal. They're the strongest, the toughest drill bits that I could find that would be able to drill through the thickness of the metal in the van, because we need to be able to secure the bed to the van, because that would be a huge problem. So what I'm doing right now is, like I said, I'm drilling the holes in the van. One of the key points I was given at Lowe's is to dip the tip of the drill bit in oil and then drill away. So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully not like outside the van. Two down, two more to go. So once again, I'm going to dip the tip of it in the oil. Keeps the lubrication of the drill bit. Kind of like that word moist, never mind. One more. Then change out this drill bit, and we're going to use the self-drilling screws to stabilize the 4x6. The holes match up. I'm very happy about that. I have Bill, who's now going to hold the 4x6 for me. He also doesn't want to be in any of the videos, so that's why I'm saying his name. We'll have to drill a bigger hole. Alright. Be back later.